How we bath the elephants, brother. Fiji trips, mate. My mate got a little whippy whip. We're going to have a little drive on the outside roads. Let's have a look at the bike. This one here. Oh, little beast, babe. Let's get on, hit the open route, mate. We're on the road again. Road again. So, babe, we'll be out in the sticks soon. We're heading for the sticks, mate. Only in Chiang Mai on the old fucking Pete the Pad. Yeah, today we're going to go and feed and bath Nelly Potato, mate. Let's have a little look at him, shall we? The temperature check. It's fucking hot. Really lovely lemonade, mate. Smashed it. Someplace, yo. Nelly Potatoes just down the road. Look at this. Look at that. Alright, let's go have a look. Let's feed these snouts up. Apparently this is the most ethical one. So we'll see what we feel like. Let me have a little go. Fiji trips, mate. Kim's gonna cry. You watch. She's already crying.
No, I'm not already crying.
Nearly.
Just don't film me,
She's gonna cry, mate. Oh, Nelly Potato, mate. So they were just saying some of these have been rescued from the circus, some of them have been rescued from working in the jungles, and there's a few that belong to local people, but they can't afford to feed them, so they send them here and then they get fed loads and looked after well by the looks of things.
You enjoy your grass,
Hey, you're a cheeky one, aren't you? Hey, doggy. You cheeky. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cheeky. Yeah, very nice. Let's have some. Let's have some. Let's have some. Let's have some. Get greedy. Greedy. She's smiling. She's smiling. She's loving it. Not into it, yeah?
I'm so into it. So gorgeous. So playful. Look cute.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, baby.
She wants that stuff.
Yeah, of course.
That's the best stuff.
Yeah, oh, I think she was going to share them.
You love it.
I love it.
You love it.
I love it.
Let's come. It's Kim at one-on-one here.
I'm with Grandma.
You have a little one-on-one with Grandma?
Yeah. I just fed her a bit of grass.
Come on. Come on. Come on, come with me. Elephant whisperer now. Pete Doolittle, mate. Where are we going? Where are we going?
She's going that way.
Where are we going? You going up
We're
there?
not going back to the food bit.
She's going to chill
Come
out.
on.
I think so.
Is mud good? Good mud.
They're ready to go up there, then I'll take it.
Wow.
Eh?
It's so big.
Trying to eat the bloody GoPro, mate. You want this? You want this? You want this? That's nice. That's why she was coming up here.
Yeah.
Is it time to have the other fruit yet?
Start wet in the water, get
Mm.
You are.
You want some more? I'll get one, I'll get one. Big one, got a big one for you. Big one, up, up, up. Yeah, get it, get it, get it, get it. One more. Oh, that's good. Hello. Hello. Little baby. No. Local top on. So's your boy. Look at your boy. What's he saying? Look at him. Nice. So now we're going to make the supplement balls that they need. We're going to do the feeding and bathing. It's nice because there's only 4 of us here. So yes, mate. Lovely times.
This one, this is a grass.
Yeah.
Napier grass. The name is Napier grass. Yeah, the same one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
To
yeah.
elephant. And yeah, this is the main food for elephant. It's good for elephant, buffalo, or cow because they eat a lot. They need more fiber.
Yeah.
Napier grass can give more fiber to elephant. And this one,
Banana.
oh no,
No?
this is Thai mango. Banana improve the eye of elephant, improve the skin, because elephant they have very bad vision. They can see just 10 meter, 15 meter. Yeah, banana can help. But elephant they have a good sense smelling. They can smelling better than the dog. They can smelling far from them like 10 kilometer, and they have a good sense hearing. But bad eye. Yeah, banana gonna help for the eye. And this one, this is probiotic. We get this one from Elephant Hospital. Help with digestion. It's made from the Thai herb. Yeah, many things mixed together. And this one,
Salt.
no,
No.
gonna tell you, this is secrets.
Yeah.
This is cocaine. We give to elephant.
That's why they got big noses.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why our elephant they look very happy. Oh. This is salt. Yeah, salt. Yeah, salt, antibacterial for elephant.
Yeah.
Yeah, inside the mouth, inside the body for the skin, antibacterial. And salt can make elephant they drink water a lot. Yeah. If we see some of elephant they don't drink enough water, we're gonna give a lot of salt for them.
Yeah.
And this one, tamarind.
All right.
Yeah, tamarind. Tamarind gonna make elephant they poop a lot. Yeah, and help with digestion, similar like probiotic.
Yeah.
And this one is sour tamarind.
Yeah.
In Thailand we have sweet one and sour one.
Yeah.
Sweet one we use to make the candy, and the sour one for cooking.
Yeah.
Do you know pad thai?
Yeah.
Yeah, pad thai sauce is made from sour tamarind.
Yeah.
Make elephant poop a lot. So you guys, if you cannot poop,
Eat
I
them.
recommend.
Yeah.
I recommend.
Or pad thai.
It is a good one. Yeah, pad thai. You just eat all this tamarind. And after 15 minutes, Mr. Toilet gonna call you. Happy room. And this one, the last one, rice. We give rice to elephant because this elephant, they are Asian elephant. Yeah, that's why we give rice to them.
Yeah.
Because
Are they all like-
Asian, they love rice.
Are they all Asian elephants?
Yeah.
Right. All these ones Asian.
Yeah, Asian elephant. Rice is just sticky.
Sticky.
Yeah.
Easy to make a ball.
Yeah.
Grind it down. It's the cocaine. I'll swap with you, babe.
More.
What?
1 hour.
Yeah.
More. 2 hours.
That is good. Do you want to swap, babe?
It's good, thank you. It's good, thank you.
Make some pad thai for the elephants, mate. Elephant pad thai.
Oh, right. Thai massage, Thai massage. Thai massage.
You want massage?
Thai massage from Thai lady boy. My friend, do you want Thai massage? Oh, last night I saw you at the lady boy show.
Oh yeah.
You look very happy. I saw you because I am the one at that show. Part-time job.
You've grown a moustache in one day.
Okay, now we make a ball. We make a ball. Yeah, like this type. On the top, like sushi. Sushi.
Good.
Hello.
Hello. You know, don't you, hey?
Oh,
Hi, Grandma.
Grandma. No, yeah, we're going.
Look at that on my phone. Hmm?
Do like this. Do like this.
Mm.
Grandma has had one. You want one?
No, go on, you're right.
Oh, have you had one? You need your medicine. Go on. Go on then, you get Baba. Aww. She's gonna get you.
PG trips on tour.
On tour.
PG trips on tour. I'm liking the band jaw. So we bath the elephants, brother. PG trips, mate. That's alright. Anything for food? Look at this nutter. You a bit wet, babe?
Yeah. That was your fault for spraying me.
Yeah, it's alright. I don't think it was just my fault, mate. You were still under that big thing a minute ago. Oh, elephants. PG trips, mate. Gotta love it, ain't ya? Have a chat. We had a great time at the Elephant Sanctuary.
Yeah, we did.
You think they were cool? Do you feel it's an ethical place?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
It's a shame that it got to this point, but it's still absolutely beautiful and it's an absolute privilege to be able to be that close to them. So, fun stuff.
Kim's favourite was the Nana one.
Oh, God.
Nelly Furtado.